Hello, my name is Kim Chon. Welcome to error fixing coding. Today I have one more topic that I'm going to discuss with you. Here's my YouTube channel. Please subscribe in order to get one more good video tutorial. So the topic today is talk about errors, Symfony component, debugs, exception, fatals, error exception, syntax error, unexpected table variable. This is the errors when we create migration in laravel 5.2. So let's check together. So in my project I have one more migration, and this is the table categories, and in my table categories I have create many column. I have cat ID, cat name, create that, and updated that at. So I don't know, maybe something wrong when I modify or I implement this table. But the problem is that when I run commands, okay, this is the command that I run, php artisans migrate refresh. PHP artisan migrate refresh mean we want to delete all the table from our database, and then we run the new table into our database. So when I click or run the commands, it shows me this error. So let me talk about the problems when we see this error. It is easy when you have a little table. Like now I have only 4 tables, so it is easy for you to find whether which table and which columns that you forgot or you write something wrong. But it is very difficult when you have so many tables. For example, I have 100 tables in my project, and then I have these errors when I migrate my database. So how can you know which tables, and how can you know which lines that makes these errors happen? It is very difficult to find. So as you can see, is I have only 4 tables. It is easy to find. You can just see, go through one by one, and you will feel not difficult, and you will feel easy, and you will find these problems quickly. So now as you can see here in my table categories, I forgot semicolon. That's why it show us this error. So the problem is that I don't know, I forgot semicolons in another table. So how can I know I forgot semicolons in this table and this row, and I can know it quickly? So how can? So once again, imagine that I have a lot of tables, and then I don't know which table and which column, which line that I forgot these semicolons that makes me see this error. So the first one is you can the first and the best solution for you is you have to go to storage, and then in laravel files we have log folder, okay, and then we have laravel.logs. So you just open laravel.logs. So I cleanse all, okay, and I save, and then I migrate refresh again in order to make the errors logs into my laravel logs. Okay, it show the error again, and then I check in my laravel logs, and then I will see. Okay, let read with me together. So it have the local error, symbol fatal, with mistake, syntax error, unexpected table. Okay, and then it will tell us, okay, database migration. Wow, database migration. It will tell us the name of table. Wow, the name of table and the lines. Okay, you can see clearly. You can see the table, the category table, and you also can see the lines 19 that helps makes this error happen. So you can see we can fix it, and we can know it quickly. What does these problems, why these problems occur? So when you see categories, okay, table category and line 9 and lines 19, I'm sorry. So you just go to your migration, and then you open category. Okay, and then you take a look at the 19 line 19. You will see here 19. Okay, let's take a look. You just see 19, you will see that you forgot semicolon. Okay, so now I add semicolon and Control S save it again. Send, and I rewrite the command again. I click and I enter. So now that great, you can migrate your database successfully. Okay, my final recommendation for your migration error. The first one is you just go to your storage and log folder and go to laravel logs, and then you will see the all errors is logs in this file. So you can read the lines, and then you will see which file is errors in which your migration, and then you just find your error and then fix it. So thank you for your attendance watching this video. So please subscribe my YouTube channels in order to get the new videos. Thank you. Goodbye.